Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cut a video using VLC Media Player on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the VLC Media Player on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, you need to add the video you want to cut. You can import videos from the Files app, Camera Roll, or by Wi-Fi series. After importing, the video will appear in the video section. Next, tap on the video to start playing it. VLC doesn't have a direct cut button like professional editing apps, but you can cut a specific part of the video by recording the selected section. While the video is playing, tap the screen to show the controls. Now tap the record button, usually shown as a red circle. This will start recording the video. From that point, let the video play until you reach the part you want to stop. Then tap the record button again to stop recording. VLC will save this recorded part as a new video file. This new file is your cut version, while the original video remains unchanged. To find the cut video, go back to the videos list in the VLC. You will see the newly saved file there, and that's it. You have successfully cut a video using VLC Media Player on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.